This 2010 Forest River Sunseeker 3120DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 31 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, awning, leveling jacks, oven, smoke detector, stove-top burner, Slideout, LP detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, Skylight, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2010 Forest River Sunseeker 3120DS is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.